Okay guys, so I'm really excited to do this. I'm excited to open this. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Pink nitrile gloves. Let's see what's next. Another pink pair. Are these different? We'll see. Which one should I open first? Or should I open some of these ones first that I got at Target? So I have this one, this one, and this one. Alrighty. Shall we do it? Shall we go least exciting to most exciting again? I think so. These are the heavy duty latex. So these are latex for all you latex lovers out there. Alright, I'm gonna put these on slowly because I know you guys like that. One of your favorite triggers. And these are a size large, but they seem kind of tight, so we'll see. Let's do the other hand. Ooh. What do you guys think? Down below. Alright, next pair. Should we do these ones next? Or should we do a white one next? I say we do these because they look the most different. Ooh, these are also latex, but they're white. Okay. Ooh, they're really soft on the inside. Different. Let's do the other. You guys like these ones? Shh. You're gonna be okay. Okay, next. Let's see, I know I got tons of requests for the size extra small white latex. So you all are going to be very happy to know that I'm trying them on now, finally. Okay, they're small, but I could not find an extra small in the store. Okay, so hopefully these will work. there's two different sets. One's white and one's gray. Let's try the white one first. So I'm not sure these are pure white, but they're kind of a cream. You can still try them on. Oh, shoot. These are small. Okay, here's the sound you guys have all been waiting for. Let's do the other one. There. Shh. How do you like these? Let me test your bone health. Now let me get your heartbeats. Okay. How about we do the next pair? All right. So right now I am going to switch it up. And I am going to move one of these. So let's unbox it, shall we? And I'm doing this without scissors because I think it'll help with the ASMR effect. Ooh. Whoa. Look at that color. Here's our first glove. And these were ordered especially on Amazon. So these will be really exciting. They feel like balloons when you first touch them. The nitrile gloves in size medium. So these will be a little bit different, way more colorful. Here's the glove, it's like that. There we go. Nitrile gloves are on. I feel like this is something like a dental hygienist would wear. Like they would wear like pink gloves, I don't know. And then we'll do the other arm. There we go. You're a little disoriented. How many fingers am I holding up? Good job. All right, let's try another one. And also, guys, remember to comment your favorite pair down below again, okay? And watch till the end for the best ones. Yes, they get better. Dude, I'm set on the medical gloves. If I want to clean my apartment, now there's no excuse, right? All right. Moving on. Let's try out these ones. They're the nitrile. It says not made with natural rubber latex. So these are blue nitrile. I know there was requests for these too. Ooh. There's our first one and our second one. First one, what size are these ones? It doesn't say the size, but they're pretty tight actually. You like that sound? I think these are the noisiest yet. Let's do the next one. Are you ready for your operation? So am I. Let's go. All right. I did not try on the gray latex, so here we go. I think these are the size small also, but gray and not white. Here we go. There's our small sized latex gloves. All right, are you ready for the grand finale? Let's get to it. And the grand finale is the nitro exam gloves. Cherry blossom color. They're a size large. Well, let's see how they fit. Swift grip. Ooh, look at that color pink. It's like tissue paper. Feels like tissue paper. Now it feels like a balloon. Gently. Oh, I love this color. Let's do another one. Alright, so let's put it on, shall we? I think these are my favorite color so far, or from all the ones I've tried on. I like these ones. So cute. if I were a healthcare provider, I would buy these. Just saying. So all you healthcare professionals out there, I'm not sponsored, but okay. Say ah. Good job. Your tonsils look awesome. Your thyroid looks awesome. Do you have any questions for me before we leave? No? Perfect. So, that was all the gloves that we had today. So again, make sure to comment your favorite ones in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share. And let's get our subscriber count to 400. Let's get this video to 100 likes. And remember, there's a giveaway coming. So, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I appreciate each and every